Dahil medyo marami naman sa inyo nag-enjoy ng huli kong unboxing video, we're going to open another one today. Hi there! Thank you for checking out my channel. Thank you for clicking on this video. If you are only here for yung mga math language logic lessons natin, you can click right here to find a different video. This one's a little bit personal. It's just me unboxing this mystery box. Now, itong mystery box na to, it's from Hobbiestock Philippines, and it's a Michael Jordan mystery pop box. Anong ibig sabihin nun? Ang laman nito would be isang sigurado na Michael Jordan na pop. And, yun, I love Jordan. Siguro dahil 90s baby na rin ako, kaya talaga nung kasagsagan ng career ni Michael Jordan, yun yung childhood ko. And, if you don't know it yet, one thing na pinangarap ko since I was a kid was to own a pair of Jordans, which I now have. I actually have two right now. So I really respect the guy. But more than yung skills niya on court, what I love most about him is his work ethic. And if you read yung mga quotes ni Michael Jordan about basketball and how he became the legend that he is, ang malaking bagay nun talaga is sacrifice and a lot of practice. So one thing na gusto ko rin i-adapt sa buhay ko is that, na if you want something, you have to keep trying until you get it. Huwag mapapagod mag-practice. Alright? So anyway, I'm excited to see that pop. Pero ang sabi nila, included here would be 2 other pops na mystery. Now, may chance na meron tayong chase or limited edition pops na nandito. And yun, alamin natin ngayon kung ano yung laman ng box. Alright? Now, this mystery box costs 2,699 pesos shipped. Pero again, may mga discount codes naman tsaka coupons that you can apply to this. Now, again, ang sigurado dito may Michael Jordan na pop. In particular, yung bronze na edition, which is yung parang special edition din niya. Kaya excited din ako to see it. Let's open it na right now. Okay? Now, of course, titingnan din natin doon sa Funko app kung ano yung worth ng mga pops na kasama dito. Hopefully, syempre, ma-make natin yung money natin back dun sa worth ng pops. Kaya talagang sana maganda yung chase at kung meron man, at sana hindi yung meron na tayo. Yun yung goal natin ngayon. Pero either way, kahit ano naman yun, maging happy tayo kasi pampahappy naman talaga yung mga Funko Pops. And, yun. So, happy ako kasi I finally get to own toys for myself. So, medyo may pagka-collector tayo na kahit papaano. So, we have a growing collection of Funko Pops. Actually, yung may kasalanan talaga nito yung mga unang Team Lyqa members na, nagbigay ng pangbili ko ng gift. So, nagsimula ako sa collection sa mga Batgirl. Isang Batgirl lang muna kasi may nagbigay. Tapos, yan, dumami na sila ng dumami. Kaya, salamat po sa mga nangungonsinti ng aking passion. Pwede na rin natin tawagin bisyo, which is collecting toys or collecting Funko Pops. Now, for those who don't know it, actually, yung Funko Pops is not just about owning stuff. It's also an investment. Kasi ibig sabihin, pag meron ka kasi nun, over time, yung value nila tumataas. Kaya lang, ang thing, you have to be patient kasi hindi siya agad-agad. So, kunyari, if you own a pop, tapos mavo-vault yun, pag sinabi mavo-vault, ibig sabihin hindi sila gagawa na anymore, the price increases. For example, meron akong Agent Carter na pop. So, binili ko siya for just, I think, 500 pesos lang yun. Even lower kasi discounted. Tapos right now, ang worth niya is up to $18. So, tumataas yung presyo niya over time. Okay? So, tingnan na natin yung laman. Yan, we have here, hindi ko masisipin. Kapain lang natin. Yan. So, tatlo nga siya. Tapos may mga protector sila. So, that's always a good sign. Let's pull up one. Wait lang, baka masira. Anahin na natin. Ito na lang, para safe, para sure. Okay. So, isa muna. Okay. So, ito yung nasa gitna. Ito yung Michael Jordan na pop na Hobbiestock exclusive. Yan. May sticker siya. This is yung bronze na Chicago Bulls na Michael Jordan. So, yeah. Medyo grill piece naman siya, lalo na for, alam niyo yun, basketball fans and basketball players like me. Well, player eh, no? Pero dati kasi naglalaro din ako. So, yeah, I'm really happy to get this. I'll keep this forever. Meron din siyang front of the line pass for Asia Pop Comic Con Manila. Pero the thing is kasi hindi na to natuloy. Hindi natuloy ito eh. So, ewan ko lang kung i-credit nila yan for next year just in case na magkakaroon ng Comic Con next year. So, I don't know. I don't really know. So, I'll just keep this right here muna. Diyan siya. So, let's pull out yung pangalawa. Okay, it's this one right here. This is a Conan Pop. So, if you don't know Conan O'Brien, isa siya sa mga late night TV show hosts sa States. And, this one is a special edition. GameStop exclusive siya na Armenian Conan. So, I know people collect this. I'm just not sure kung ano yung worth niya. We'll check again mamaya. Alright? So, ito muna si Conan. Nilagay mo na siya sa gilid. Meron din kasamang pop protector. Alright? And, dalawa na sila. There's one more. Hopefully, that I like. Dun. Drum roll. Ah, okay. Ito yung Agetsuko na special edition. Yan. Itong Agetsuko, ano to eh, anime. Available na rin siya sa Netflix, pero I don't watch it. Wala kasi akong time. Pero special edition siya. In fairness, sa totoo lang, I've never seen this pop ever in the wild. So, hindi ko pa siya nakita ever na binibenta. So, hindi ko rin alam kung ano yung worth niya. Pero, again, stickered. So, special edition. Now, ang question would be, ano yung worth nilang lahat? So, again, you pay $2,699 for the entire bunch, plus discount, pero yun yung regular price. Let's see if worth it siya. Scan natin using yung Funko app. So, why am I doing this? Honestly, kasi if any of you want to collect your own pops then, maybe it's a great way for you to know if it's worth it to buy from that store. So, if you don't know it yet, I opened yung mystery box na from Kramer Toy Warden. And yun yung Jollibee mystery box nila. So, kung hindi nyo pa napapanood yun, i-link ko na lang din dito if you're interested. That box right there, nakabawi tayo kasi meron silang, may chase na Goose Furkin from Captain Marvel. So, titingnan natin ngayon ito kung if it's worth your money. Kaya kung gusto nyo rin mag-mystery box sa Hobbiestock, kung gusto nyo i-risk, tingnan natin if it's going to be worth our time. Alright? So, this one muna, yung ating, ito naman talaga yung gusto kong bilhin, honestly, kasi whether nasa mystery box siya or hindi, plano ko naman talaga siya bilhin. Kaya lang, hindi na siya available as yung single na product, nandun na lang siya sa mystery box. And that was why I kind of considered na, sige, kukunin ko na lang siya sa mystery box. Okay, so scan natin yung Michael Jordan. Okay. So actually, wala pa siyang results sa Funko na app. Pero kasi siya ay, yan, coming soon pa lang siya technically. So, early release to. Exclusive siya pala dapat sa Foot Locker. So, again, we don't know it yet. Pero definitely, again, grail level kasi bronze na Michael Jordan pa. Tapos nakapost pa siya ng slam dunk. So, itatabi muna natin siya dyan. Okay? Pero dun sa Hobbiestock kasi, or sa ibang mga stores, yung Michael Jordan na bronze, we can also search for yung price niya. Okay, so sa poppriceguide.com right now, ang price niya ranges from $29 to $32. So, again, mga nasa siguro 1,415, para safe 1,500 just for this pop. So, again, hindi siya yung price for the release, pero kasi may resale value siya, kaya siya ganun yung price niya. Okay, so let's check itong Conan na Armenian. Let's see kung ano yung sabi sa Funko na app. Okay, so ito yung Armenian folk dancer na Conan O'Brien na pop. Right now, trending value niya is just $8. Pero that's okay. Kasi, again, exclusive at saka, kasi 2019 release siya. So, the thing with this one is, the older it gets, the more expensive it becomes. In fact, let's just do a quick search ng mga lumang Conan na pops. Ayan, yung mga lumang Conan na pops, like itong Stormtrooper na Conan, already costs $60 right now. Yung original na Conan O'Brien, nasa almost $200 na siya. So ito, this pop right here, hindi ko ito ibibenta right now. I'm just going to wait and see kung ano yung magiging price niya in the future. Kasi again, early release, mura pa. Pero the longer it gets, the more expensive it becomes. Nasa range ng mga $50-$60 average yung mga Conan Pops na nirelease last year or yung 2017 or older. Okay? Ito naman yung Agetsuko natin na date night. Let's see. So, ito na Agetsuko, it's $11 ngayon ang trending value niya. Okay? And again, early release kasi, 2019. Pero again, we can just wait it out to see kung ano yung magiging price niya over time. Okay? Actually, sa Pop price guide, which is yung sinusunod din ng most na mga resellers ng Pop, ang Agetsuko date night now already ranges sa around $18 to $23 siya ngayon. So, ibig sabihin, just from yung itong dalawang items na to, not including yung Conan, medyo bawi-bawi na tayo dun sa ginastos natin. But again, over time, it'll even be more. Now, just to make sure, check natin yung Conan ha. Alright, so adding this pa to the bunch, which again would increase yung price over time, it's really worth yung investment naman if you think about it. Kasi ito palang Michael Jordan, diba, bawing-bawi na tayo dyan kasi habang tumatagal yan lalo, it will increase in price. Limited naman kasi yung mga ganyang klaseng mga bronze na mga pop na mga figures. So again, with all these three, I feel it was worth the money naman. But again, here's the catch, okay? If you don't have flexible na pera, if you don't have disposable income, if you don't have money na saved up for this, don't buy it. Hindi naman siya kailangan, okay? Now, the reason why we can buy this or I can buy this is every time I earn something, I set aside part of it as kind of my fun fund. And of course, kasi some of you guys do send money for me to spend on this. So, without those, I wouldn't be able to afford these. So again, for everyone who supports Team Lyqa and everyone who gives their gifts din sa akin, thank you so much for all of these. And, yan, thank you so much for your time din watching. And if you want me to make more content like this, yung mga toy collection, may nagre-request kasi na i-tour ko daw kayo doon sa aking mga Funko Pop collection. If you want a video like that, let me know sa comments below. Okay, and of course, we'll be back with another proper video lesson really soon. So if you want to subscribe and have more access sa mga videos na ganito, including yung mga lessons, don't forget to hit subscribe and hit the bell icon. If you want to reach out to me directly para doon sa mga review stuff, you can go to www.facebook.com/teamlyqa. And of course, follow me on Instagram for other stuff, mga personal stuff. And if you want to follow me sa mga kung saan tayo nagpupunta sa mga kung anong ganap-ganap. Alright? Thanks guys for watching. As we always say, sa team never stop learning. Adja, kaya niyan. I'll see you in the next video and bye for now.